Hello children, welcome to class 10th mathematics chapter quadratic equation. Today I am going to explain quadratic formula. So in this class we are going to discussing about quadratic formula. See, the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 or minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a and minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So if the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 or minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and other one is minus b, here minus b plus square root b square minus 4ac minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So if b square minus 4ac is less than or equal to 0, then the roots of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is given by that is minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. So see, this formula for finding the roots of a quadratic equation is known as quadratic formula. So this is called quadratic formula. This is very important formula for the viewers examination. In the examination they will ask in 2 marks question. Let us solve the examples. Example 12. So already what is that? Question number 2. Solve question number 2 in first one exercise. So 10.1 by using the formula method. So last class, that is by using the factorization. Here it is formula method. Carefully observe the question. This is formula method. So what is the question number 2 in 10.1? See your textbook. Already you know that breadth of the plate is x meter, that is x meter breadth, and length of the plate, that is 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 meter. And also, and its area is given. Area is equal to 528 meter. Already know that formula for area, that is L into B. Breadth is x meter and length is 2x plus 1 meter. That is area is equal to L into B is equal to 528 meter. L is x meter into breadth is 2x plus 1 meter is equal to 528. X into 2x is 2x square. Again x into 1 is plus x, plus 528 becomes left is minus 528 is equal to 0. Now this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here x square in the place of a is 2, that is a is equal to 2. Then x is x as it is, in the place of b is 1, that is b is equal to 1. So in the place of c is minus 528. C is equal to minus 528. Let us substitute the formula, that is formula method is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is the formula. So by using the formula method, let us substitute the values of a, b, c. X is equal to minus as it is, b value of b is 1 is as it is, again plus or minus square root b square means b is 1 square minus 4 value of a is 2 and value of c is minus 528 whole divided by 2 into a, value of a is 2. Then again x is equal to minus 1 as it is, minus 1 plus or minus as it is, again square root 1 square is 1, this minus multiply with minus 5, minus into minus plus 4 into 2 is 8 into 528. So we have to multiply 2 into 2 is 4. Then next step is x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root 1 plus multiplication of 8 into 528, that is 4224 whole divided by 4. Then x is equal to minus 1 as it is, plus or minus as it is. 1 plus 4224 is square root 4220. 4 plus 1 is 5. That is 4225 whole divided by again 4. So the next step is, see, as it is, x is equal to minus 1 is as it is, plus or minus is as it is. What is the square root of 4225 is 65 divided by 4. See children, very important, 65 into 65, that is equal to 4225. So 65 square is equal to 4225. Here it is square root of 65 square, it is only 65. Then 65, x is equal to minus 1 plus 65 divided by 4, or this minus 1 as it is. So I am going to first here plus and then next is minus 65 divided by 4 as it is. See, x is equal to 65 minus 1 is 64 divided by 4. Then or x is equal to, both are minus 66 divided by 4. Then x is equal to 4 ones are 4, again 4 ones are 4, 2 4 8s are. Then x is equal to 18. Here it is 4 ones are 4. This is 6. 4 6 are 24. Here 24 6 are 24. That is x is equal to 16. This is 2 2s are and 2 3s are 2 3s are. Then x is equal to minus 33 divided by 2. Though the breadth is 16 meter. B is equal to 16 meter, and also length, here it is length L is equal to 2 into x, x is 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 plus 1 is 33 meter. So this is the length of the plot. Let us see the next question. Find two consecutive odd positive integers. Already you know that odd positive integers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, like that. So consecutive means I don't know the this is 1, 3, 5. That is after 1 after the 3, 3 after the 5. This is the consecutive positive integers. Sum of whose squares. So its square sum of whose squares, this is the squares, is 290. Only two consecutive. So this is not 7 square plus 9 square, right? That is 290, like that. So let us see what is the consecutive odd positive integer. So what is the first number is x, and 3, that is x plus 2. So this is the x and x plus 2. Let x and x plus 2 be the two consecutive odd positive integer. So find two consecutive odd positive integers. Sum of whose squares. What is the square? Sum means x and x plus 2 is the two consecutive odd integer, and their squares sum, that is square, is equal to 290. So this is the solutions of this. See, x square is as it is x square. This is a plus b whole square. Already you know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. It is in the form of this formula. So what is it? Is x square plus 2 into x is a, and the other one is b is 2, plus b square is 2 square, is equal to 290. Then x square plus x square is 2x square. 2 into 2, 4x plus 4 become minus 290 is equal to 0. Then 2x square plus 4x, 290 minus 4 is minus 286 is equal to 0. Then all the numbers are divided by 2, that is divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2. So divide by 2, that is 2 ones are 2, that is x square, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are plus 2x, 2 ones are minus 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 threes are is equal to 0, and 143, the factors of 143. So this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So x square, a value is 1, that is a is equal to 1, x b is 2, b is equal to 2, c is minus 143. The value of c is minus 143. Now substitute the values a, b, c in the formula. What is formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is the formula. Then x is equal to minus as it is, value of b is 2, plus or minus as it is, square root as it is, b square is 2 square, minus 4 as it is, value of a is 1, and value of c is minus 143, and whole divided by 2 into value of a is 1. Then x is equal to minus 2 is as it is, plus or minus square root 2 square is 4, minus into minus is plus, 4 into 1 is 4, into 143 whole divided by 2 into 1 is 2. And the next, x is equal to minus 2 as it is, plus or minus square root of 4 plus 143 into is, what is a multiplication of 143 into, that is 572, 3 4s are 12, like that. So this is divided by 2. Then x is equal to minus 2 as it is, plus or minus 572 plus 4 is square root 576 whole divided by 2. Then x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 570 square root of 576, that is of square root of 576 24 because see 25 into 25 is 625, 24 into 24 is 576, so square root of 576 is 24. Then minus, here it is minus, divided by 2. X is equal to minus 2 is as it is plus 24 divided by 2, or x is equal to minus 2, here the below minus 24 divided by 2. Then x is equal to 24 minus 2 is 22 divided by 2, or x is equal to, both are minus, minus 28 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are, therefore x is equal to 11, or what is 2 ones are 2, 14, minus x is equal to minus 14. Here one is 11 and other one is minus 24, so here it is negative, we cannot take, the only the positive integer is valid. So sum of the first one is x is equal to 11, and x plus 2 is 11 plus 2 is 13. So then 2 consecutive odd positive integer is 11 and 13. So you can verify what is the 11 square plus 13 square is equal to 290. So this is the verification. So the two numbers are 11 and 13. Students, carefully observe the question. A rectangular park is to be designed whose breadth is 3 meter. Here it is 3 meter less means that is more than the breadth, that is x plus 3. So the 3 meter less in that its length. So this x is length, this breadth is 3 meter less is, that is more 3 meter more than. So its area is to be 4 square meter. So its area is 4 square meter. Meter more than the area of the park that has already been made in the shape of an isosceles triangle with its base as the breadth of the rectangular park, and altitude is 12 meter. Find its length and breadth. Let us see. First we shall write the given. Let the breadth, that is x, so this is breadth of the park be x meter. So this is breadth, and the breadth, and then length is equal to x plus 3. This is length and this is breadth. So length is x plus 3 meter. Therefore area of the rectangular park, area of the rectangular park, that is, you know, the rectangular park is L into B, that is what is the length is x plus 3 and breadth is x. So this is the, then x into x is x square plus x into 3 is 3x. This is the area of the rectangular park. Next, so we have to find out the breadth of the isosceles triangle. So first base of the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is equal to half into base into height. This is the formula, area of the triangle, that is half into base into height. So this is equal to half as it is, base is x as it is x, into height is 12. So 2 ones are 2, 2 6, it is equal to 6 meter is the 6 meter square. Half into area is equal to meter square. So that is 6x, 6 into x, so 6x meter square. area of the, sorry, what is the area of the isosceles triangle. So according to the requirement, so according to this area, what is this area of the rectangular park is, what is x square plus 3x is 4 meter more than the area of the isosceles triangle. That is 4 meter more means plus than the area of the isosceles triangle, that is 6x meter square. So let us see, x square plus 3x is as it is, plus 6x becomes minus 6x, and plus 4 becomes minus 4 is equal to 0. X square minus 6x plus 3x is minus 3x, and minus 4 is equal to 0. Here it is. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Value of a is 1, and value of b is minus 3, and value of c is minus 4. So then the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Then x is equal to minus b is minus into minus 3 plus or minus square root b square means minus 3 whole square minus as it is, 4 as it is, value of a is 1, value of c is minus 4 whole divided by 2 into a. So x is equal to this minus into minus 3, that is plus 3 plus or minus square root minus 3 into minus 3, 9, minus into minus is plus 4 4 is 16 whole divided by 2 into 1 is 2. Then x is equal to plus 3 plus or minus square root 16 plus 9 is 25 divided by 2 into 1 is 2. Then x is equal to 3 plus square root 25 is only 5 divided by 2. Then x is equal to 3 plus 5 divided by 2, or x is equal to 3 minus 5 divided by 2. So x is equal to 3 plus 5 is 8 divided by 2, or x is equal to 5 minus 3 is minus 2 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 4 is x is equal to 4, and x is equal to minus 1. So here it is. You know that length and breadth cannot be negative, so you can take only the positive integer x is equal to 4. Therefore b is equal to 4, and L is equal to, what is L is x plus 3, that is x plus 3 is equal to 4 plus 3 is equal to 7.